How we doing, folks? James Power here, sales executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely stunning 201D BMW 3 Series 330i M Sport 5-door Saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in this mineral white metallic paint finish with the BMW LED headlights, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim. Since this is an M Sport, you have the aerodynamic M Sport body style, the front parking sensors. Come around to the side, you have the dual spoked BMW alloys on run flat tires with the blue brake calipers and M Sport badging. You have the high gloss black trim finish carried throughout the car with the privacy glass in the rear. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 330i badging, the twin exhausts, the rear parking camera and the rear parking sensors give you that complete 360-degree parking view. You have the rear LED taillights and the automatic trunk. You also have collapsible rear seats to give you even more trunk space. This is an absolutely phenomenal looking car, and it sounds incredible as well. Let's take a look at the interior and some of the specs on board this 330i. Now that we're inside, folks, you can see the fully digital cockpit with real-time traffic information, the BMW multifunctional paddle shift M Sport steering wheel with controls such as cruise control with brake function, a speed limiting setting. You can also control the media, and it'll appear on the heads up display. Can't really see it on the camera. You also have the BMW teleservice fully touchscreen. It also has gesture control, or you can also use the BMW iDrive system. It has features such as Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, sat-nav navigation, connective drive, and many other extras. The interior comes in a black Dakota Sport leather with a M Sport stitch carried throughout the car. You have the platinum trim surrounded by the M Sport blue ambient lighting, but you can choose from a range of different colours. Fully electric windows, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers. You also have fully electric collapsible mirrors. You have the Harman Kardon upgraded sound system, heated seats, the BMW pedestrian safety system and the BMW SOS service system, 360-degree parking sensors with a parking camera, the automatic transmission, the BMW push button start ignition, keyless push button start ignition, sorry. You also have a sports mode, comfort mode and an eco pro mode. You have an auto hold, the e-brake. This is a truly well kitted and spec'd car with a huge tech pack on board. Now, folks, like I said, this was just going to be a quick look around this absolutely stunning 201D BMW 3 Series 330i M Sport 5-door Saloon. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. My name is James Power and I hope you enjoyed this video.